Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this question they are saying that if z is directly proportional to y and z is equals to 48 when y is equals to 6, the two variables y and z are directly proportional to each other. So it means that z is directly proportional to y and z must be equal to k y. K is a constant. Here k is a constant which is multiplied by y. When k is multiplied by y, it must be equal to z. So according to the given information, they are saying that when z is equals to 48, when y is equals to 6. So using these two information, we will find the value of k. We know that z is equals to ky. So z is 48 when y is 6. So it means that 48 divided by 6 is equals to k. So value of k will be 6 8s are 48. So the value of k is 8. So by using this value of k, we will find the equation which is asked for in the first part. Find an equation connecting y and z. So the equation connecting y and z will be z as z is equals to k y. So z is equals to, the value of k is 8. So the equation that is connecting z and y is z is equals to 8y. In the second part, they are saying that draw a graph of y against z. So we have to draw the graph of y against x. So to draw the graph of y against x, we have to find the some points, 2 to 3 points to plot on the graph. So by using this equation, we will find the values of some points as z is equals to 8y. So when y is equals to 0, so z will be also equal to 0 as z is equals to 8y. So z is equals to also be 0. It means that the point will be 0 comma 0. So when y is equals to 1, so z will be equal to 8 into 1, z will be equal to 8. So the point will be 1 comma 8. 1 is the point of 1 is the value of y and 8 is the value of z. So when y is equals to 2, z must be equal to 8 1 to the 16. So z must be equal to 16, or the point is 2 comma 16. So similarly we can find the some further points, which is the next point will be 3. 8 1 2 16 3 24. So next point will be 3 comma 24. Now we will plot these point on the graph. मैंने नीचे ग्राफ बनाया हुआ है. ग्राफ में मैंने यहाँ पे y एक्सिस y को लिया है और यहाँ पे z को प्लॉट किया है. सो y की वैल्यूज़ हमने 0 1 2 3 ली हैं. तो 0 1 2 3 4 तक मैंने वैल्यूज़ ले ली, और आपके पास जो z की वैल्यूज़ आ रही हैं वो 0 8 16 और 24 तक आ रही हैं. तो मैंने यहाँ पे 4 के गैप दे के 0 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 प्लॉट कर लिए. ये जितनी बड़ी वैल्यू आती है उसके हिसाब से गैप दे के आप वैल्यूज़ को प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. तो पहला पॉइंट आ रहा है हमारे पास 0 comma 0. So this will be 0 comma 0. The next point is 1 comma 8. So 1 comma 8, it will be 1 comma 8. 2 comma 16, 2 comma 16, 2 comma 16. Then 3 comma 24. Now we will draw the line. So this is the graph. So this is the graph of y against x. We have to draw the graph of y against x. So it is the graph of y against x, and this line is of the equation z is equals to 8y. So this is the question. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.